Lately, my life has been kind of a mess, so today I'm getting my shit together. I designated the whole day to do some deep cleaning, and I also vlogged my day, and it was really fun. So come and spend the day with me. Good morning. We've got a lot to do today. I'm hoping to transform my life back to its best state by the end of today. That is the goal that I am going to be working towards. I hope we get there. Let's get today going. Let's get the ball rolling. We can do this. Okay, let's begin. Workout is complete. I have been breaking out a little bit lately, so I'm gonna use a face mask. I have a lot of cleaning things I want to get done today. I'm gonna vacuum. I probably need to do 2 or 3 loads of laundry. I have to clean my room, which has been a mess for the past few days because I've just been letting it pile up. Super good on my part. Yeah, we've got on this comfy cleaning fit, so let's get it going. The worst part about cleaning is when everywhere is a mess and so you don't know where to start. That's how I'm feeling today. I'm gonna start with making my bed. I feel like that's a good place to start. I lied. I'm gonna change my linens. Yes. Getting a little glamorous, guys. I'm gonna begin cleaning the bathroom. This is great. This is probably the part of cleaning that I hate most. I really don't mind cleaning my room. I don't mind doing laundry and other stuff, but I hate cleaning bathrooms, but we're gonna do it. Bathroom is done. That was probably the part I was dreading the most. So now we've built some momentum. I'm about to do some vacuuming to paint a picture for you. I have thick hair, and even though it's short, pretty short at least, it's still very thick, and somehow I feel like I shed 100 to 200 hairs a day. So that being said, I have carpet. Yes, if you are also a shedder, there's just like balls of hair on my floor. I'm gonna vacuum. I've just gotten a little bit ready. I put on some jewelry, I did some makeup, and I'm gonna pick out an outfit, but I wanted to talk about Neiwai. I am so excited to share this with you guys. I am passionate about comfortable clothing, undergarments that feel good to wear. Neiwai translated means inside and out, and I am a girl. I am a woman for comfort. I love the quality of their things. I'm gonna share with you guys some of my favorite pieces from them. They're a luxury lingerie / loungewear brand whose products are truly made to live in. I'm not gonna be cleaning in something uncomfy. First, I wanna talk about the Barely Zero bra. It's very versatile. It fits almost anybody, and what I love about it is that you can wear it obviously as a bra. I'm clearly wearing it as like a little crop top moment, and I'm opening my drawer. Where is she? Okay, I have a brown one too. I have a lot of Neiwai stuff. This Barely Zero bra looks like this. The back has a super cute scoop neck style, which I love. They've also got this one with adjustable straps, which is really nice. Because this bra fits almost anybody, your size is the size, which is so nice when buying bras, just because it can be really confusing with all the different sizes out there. Personally, I am a 36B/C. I don't really know, kind of depends on the day. These are their loungewear shorts. It also comes with a matching tank, but I kind of just wanted to wear this bra instead. I love long shorts, and they're just so stretchy. I just love that. Let's talk undies. These are some of the most comfortable underwear I've ever put on, and that's saying a lot. I'm very picky about my underwear. Like their bras, it doesn't really feel like you're wearing anything, and it's not constricting you. You just feel good wearing it. That's how you should feel. I got this dress from them, and I think I'm gonna wear it today. I'm gonna put this on in a sec, but if you guys want to try out Neiwai, if you've never bought from them before, those of you who want to place your first order can get 20% off 20 with the code AVA, and please listen, you will not regret it. You will literally thank me. Yeah, 20% off. I'm excited. I'll have the link in the description. I think you guys are gonna love it as much as I do. Guys, let's hear it for the dress. Oh my gosh, this color is exquisite. I feel like a buttercup. I love it. I actually still have a few hours till said plans that I want to wear this dress for, which this might be a little too fancy for what I'm doing. I don't care. I still have some cleaning to do. My desk still looks like this, and my bed looks like that. So we're about to have a fun little cleaning in a dress moment. It could be fun. Cleaning is done. I could not be more happy. I'm very satisfied with the progress we've made today. I didn't really get to do my laundry, but I'll just save that for tomorrow. Other than that, I feel like I crossed off most of the things on my to-do list, which is very exciting. I've changed because I'm not leaving for another 2 hours. Anyways, I just made myself a sandwich. I had myself a little juice box, made a simple ham sandwich, very delicious. Cheers. Buddy. Little Coda update. He is thriving better than ever. Are you happy, buddy?
Hello?
Wee! He's done growing, but he's like 47 pounds and trying to give them a Coda pup date. It's hard being famous, Coda, I know. He's done growing. He's been done growing for a while now, but he is 47 pounds. He's a really nice size. Not too big, not too small. And his birthday's coming up. He's almost done being a puppy. His puppy year is almost over. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. They're a puppy for a year, right? I don't know. I'm definitely trying to pre-plan a little birthday party for him because it's a very big deal. When I'm not reading, I'm watching the originals. Ah, so good. I just finished rewatching Vampire Diaries for the 4th or 5th time. I'm done for a while just because I need to like reset my brain. So if I do want to watch it again, it's not as clear in my head. But this is only the 2nd time I've watched the originals. I'm still on season 1. It is one of the best shows. I noticed that the biggest difference between Vampire Diaries and the originals, if you don't know, there's the Vampire Diaries and then there's the originals. The originals show up periodically in TVD, but the originals is a whole show just about them and their past, and it's really crazy. What I noticed, the biggest difference between the two shows is that TVD is definitely more romance drama based. There's just always something going on, people dating each other and just drama, you know how it goes. And the originals, while there's obviously still romance and stuff, I feel like it's more supernatural. Like there's more supernatural drama and it's honestly really interesting. So that's kind of like the biggest difference, I feel like. And I love Klaus. I'll say it. I will say it. I love Klaus. Fun fact, he was in Hawaii maybe like 4 months ago on Oahu, which is the island I live on. No one ever comes here. I was shocked, and what's even crazier is that I saw on his Instagram story when he was here that he was at this one restaurant, and I was in the area that day and I was gonna go to that restaurant, but I decided not to go to that restaurant, and that is the only time my intuition has ever failed me because I could have met him. So I'm sad about that.
Your chance to help me put down that night for not stopping us. My own special version. And unlike my father's, this one.
You will too if you hurt your sister. Your sister, Klaus!
What a good puppy! Wee!
Even our random as many other people as we can. Shit crazy in a bookstore and want to get like 30 books. I've restricted myself to 3, so I'm pretty proud of myself. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick book haul. I don't know if any of these are gonna be my next read because I just finished People We Meet on Vacation. I was in the market for some new books, as if I don't have like 15 at home waiting for me to open and read, so that's really good. I got 2 from the same artist. I feel like the reason I chose these was because of the covers. I feel like that's something I would gravitate towards. I don't want to butcher the name pronunciation, but these are the 2 books. They're romance, which I feel like I've been gravitating towards a lot more recently. And then to change it up, this is from the author who wrote Song of Achilles, which I still have not read. I've heard amazing things about, so I trust your guys' opinions and expertise, so I'm sure I'm gonna end up liking it. From the same author, this book, which the cashier was saying is slightly less heartbreaking than Song of Achilles, so it's good to know. Yep. I just got home a little bit ago. I had pasta for dinner. I recently got, I think it's called a sunset lamp in a PR box, and that's the light you're kind of seeing behind me. It has been so nice. It sets a very nice ambiance at night, so I think they sell it in like this pink, blue, purple vibe, and I know they have like an orange one, but I've been really liking to put it on in the evening. So if you're curious about what book I'm going to be reading next, I think I've picked it out. It's a fairly popular one, not crazy popular. The Midnight Library by Matt Haig. I have heard some good reviews on it. I'm honestly not really sure what it's about, but I believe it's not typical romance, which I'm excited because I feel like the last 4 books I've read has just like shredded my heart. I need to relax from that for a sec, so I'm probably going to start that tonight. I definitely going to have an early night, as I do most nights, because tomorrow's a Monday and I want to start off the week feeling well rested. Anyways, I had so much fun hanging out today. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being you. And I hope you enjoyed your time today because I've enjoyed having you with me.